Welcome to Safety 2020 Virtual, the nation's leading safety conference in a completely online format, brought to you by the American Society of Safety Professionals. This is the dashboard. Think of it like the lobby of your virtual conference, where you can choose where you'd like to visit throughout the conference. Visit the Resource Center for any assistance you might need. Here, you can get your questions answered about Safety 2020 or ASSP. You can request to be emailed information, schedule a meeting, or use the live chat. Next, let's look at the sessions. This is where you'll access all of Safety 2020's industry-leading education. You can browse the sessions that are currently happening or see what's coming up on the schedule. To join a session, simply click on the title or click Add to Schedule to flag it in your personal schedule to attend later. Session videos will become available only after the scheduled time. After that, you can access the videos anytime for 60 days. During the session's scheduled time, you can use the live chat feature to get any questions you might have answered about the material being presented. During the conference, take a break from the sessions and visit the virtual Expo Hall, where you can learn about the latest technology, PPE, and solutions being provided by the leading companies in safety. You can request information, live chat with exhibitors, join their Zoom meeting, or request a private meeting. You can make updates to your profile and preferences here. Be sure to add your picture and update your preferences to ensure you get the most out of the virtual event. You'll want to check these boxes under privacy settings so you can connect with other attendees and meet with them. You can also look up other attendees and request to schedule meetings with them, or reach out to a speaker in the speaker directory. And don't forget to join the conversation on social media. Be sure to check out networking opportunities, including morning Zoom room coffee chats hosted by ASSP board members. If you need any further assistance with technical issues during the conference, you can contact support. Earn up to 6.5 CEUs by completing each session offered at Safety 2020 Virtual. You will have access to the platform for 60 days after the event to continue to learn and earn credit. Your CEUs will be available on your ASSP.org profile within 10 days. Thank you for joining the American Society of Safety Professionals Annual Conference. Get ready to experience this industry-leading event in its new virtual format.